Let's make an instant coffee martini. It's a Campfire Cocktails take on an espresso martini with my friends at High Camp Flasks. Going with an espresso martini, obviously using espresso, but because we're camping, we're using instant coffee. I'm using half a stick of instant, so we need 1 ounce of water to go with that instant. A little stir. Take your favorite vodka, 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of your favorite coffee liqueur, ½ ounce simple syrup, and my little secret ingredient, I like to add just a couple of dashes of chocolate bitters. Add in some ice, give it a good 30 seconds. And that is it. I'm using the High Camp Flask 375 milliliter flask. I'm gonna put it in the caption how to make it batch so you can enjoy with your friends. Take this on the go. Nice and frothy. And you just made an instant coffee martini.